I look like a tomboy. That's why I put on my earring to, you know, girl up the thing. Hey guys, I am rearranging my apartment. I wasn't planning on recording, so I actually started. It had popped in my mind like, why don't I record? Oh, let me turn on the lights so that the in here is a little brighter. Yeah, so I'm gonna be rearranging my apartment. It's gonna help me to record better. So like if I'm doing like a try on haul, I can stand right here so that the background is like solid versus here and all of that crap. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do, so first I need to find a way to set up the camera. Oh, let me show you guys outside. This is how it has been all day, like super gloomy and just cold and all of that, just bad weather. I had to turn on my heater because in here got really cold. But anyways, I'm gonna try and set up the camera somewhere so that you guys can see what I am doing. Like I said, I've already started, so like it's a mess everywhere. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move my futon from here to this side, but first I need to ensure that that side is clean and stuff, because I feel like here, like my hair is always all over the place, so I need to get those out of the way and maybe add some bleach on the floor because I like to clean with bleach, you know, let the place smell good and all of that stuff. So that's what I'm about to do. This is where my couch was, so yeah, like out here, there, and some little other stuff on the floor. So it's not that dirty, but I need to get it like spick and span. I'm using this. I see some spots here. I think maybe pen marks, I don't know. I don't want too much. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. Yeah, that should do. I'm gonna use wipes to further clean the floor because this is where I'm gonna be putting my futon. So this is where pretty much I'll be sleeping on the floor, so I need to ensure that it's very clean. Look at this. I need to change it. This is where I put the bleach earlier. This is the Wi-Fi that I told you guys that I got recently, so it's been working okay so far. So no more limited internet. Now I have unlimited internet, and I got this from Yokohama Cablevision company. I'm actually hot, so I need to turn off the heater. Yeah, so all this work making me hot, and I need to take a water break. My futon has been here since I have moved here. Changing it up a little since I got the time. Wait, put my thermometer cover. Where did I put my thermometer cover? Alright, let me move it here. I keep these under the couch. All right, so what's next? this is why I don't like to do housework. I'm tired. Do not look at my messy bed, but I'm not sure how I'm feeling with my futon right there. Like, I feel like, well, I have a lot of space here. Initially, I wanted to put my shoe shelf over this side. I'm gonna remove all of these stuff right here. So I wanted to move this here, but I'm thinking maybe this would probably look nice right here. So I'm gonna put it there and see how it looks. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay. So, alright, this can work. I need space to put stuff. Some of these are stuff that I got in the mail and I need to like go through them and figure out what they are for, because I'm just tired of getting things in the mail that are in Japanese and I don't know what they mean. So I'm gonna just put this one side, put it somewhere. People can actually look into my apartment, so I need to close these since the light is on. All right, so I think I'm basically almost there. I need to find somewhere to put these books. I need to spread my bed. I'm gonna take out the water bottles from out of this and then probably put it in my cupboard so I have space right there.
But I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing?
I'm wondering, is it safe for me to be sleeping so close to the 5G internet? Alright.
Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself.
I see a spot on the wall. I need to remove this spot. Since I'm gonna be putting my head there, you need to be gone. Alright, I think I'm done. I'm hot and tired. You know, I feel like I need to get a table, but that's the thing, I don't want to have to buy anything because I'm not gonna be here in Japan for much longer. Well, I don't know when I'm leaving, but I'm not gonna be here for like a long time, so I don't want to buy things that when I'm leaving it's hard for me to get rid of it because I can't leave it in my apartment. I actually sleep with this close to me because I have to take my temperature every single morning to send to my workplace every morning. So I sleep with it literally right beside me. These are all work related stuff which I need to find a way to put. Where should I put this? I don't know. Winter has ended, so I need to wash my coat and put them up so that I have more space for other stuff. I still have a lot of organizing to do, but for now I think I am finished. So I use it as my little office, the office area. So that's where I like do my editing and my other stuff. you know, keep myself occupied and try to be productive. I don't know if I'm liking this change, but it has to work for now. I'm gonna get some organizers from Daiso so that I can organize my closet, which is a total mess. And right there, I need to, right where my internet is, I want to get my internet, wait, over there. Okay, right where my internet is, I want to get something like maybe a small desk so that I can put the internet there, and maybe, I don't know, what else did I say I want to put there? Like have a little organization going there. So that's what I want to do. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching me rearrange my tiny Japanese apartment. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any ideas like what I need to do, like for example move the futon to a different side of the room, let me know, because I am not the interior designer type of person. So I just want to live comfortably, and it doesn't matter to me how it looks, as long as it's clean and it's semi-organized. I am good to go. Yeah, so I can take out this earring now and go back to being simple Sashoni. Alright guys, bye.